is placed on a plane which is inclined at 40 degrees to the horizontal. The box is kept in equilibrium at the point of moving up the plane by a light string which lies in the vertical plane containing the line of greatest. Okay, so all the forces are coplanar. The string makes an angle 20 degrees with the plane as shown in the figure. The box is in limiting equilibrium. Okay, and
Yes.
tension in the string is given as 10 newtons. Coefficient of friction is mu. We have to find mu. Okay, ready? Let's put all the forces on this. So vertical force is how much? The box is weighing 1 kg, so this will be just G, correct? Then we have to take perpendicular force. Have we done this? Hey, 12th one is over now. Yes, 12th one is over. That was the last problem we did yesterday.
Nice.
So we have to go for the next one. 13th one is also complete. 13th one is also done. So chapter review, we have to start with the chapter review.
Yes.
Okay, shall we do it?
Okay, sir.
Right, so let's take this. So 12, 13 is over. Next one. A particle is acted upon by three forces as shown in the diagram. Given that the particle is in equilibrium, work out size of the angle theta. So theta we need to find, and we need to find the force P. So he's telling us that they are in equilibrium, no?
Yes.
Equilibrium. So three forces, they are coplanar, they are all moving away. So which theorem can we apply?
Let me see.
So Lami's theorem. Okay. So what does Lami's
Yes.
theorem tell us? So force, let's say 12 divided by sine of opposite angle. The opposite angle is here, this one. So what is this angle? Okay, this is a bit complex, right? So 75 plus 90 minus theta, no?
Yes.
This is the angle here. So this is equal to, let's take the next force as P. So if P is the force, we need this angle. How much is that angle? Sine of
Sine of 70 plus 90 minus 30.
70 plus 90 minus 75. And the last force is 10 Newton. And the angle opposite is this angle. What is that angle? So this angle is 90 minus 70. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Then this angle is 90. And then this angle is theta. So we have to add all these angles, right? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So so you have to form equations from these things. I think Lami's theorem is going to be very complex here because he has not mentioned which method to follow. We can use any method, and Lami's theorem, you can see it's becoming very complex. Theta is not coming alone.
Yes.
So solving for theta will be very problematic. So instead, if we can go with sigma v and sigma h, that will be much easier way to go. Okay. So let's reject this. Let's go with the sigma. Sigma, which one you want to go? V.
Okay, sir.
Take all the vertical forces over this. So what is the vertical component of 12 newtons?
12 sine 70.
Yeah, 12 sine 70, and it is acting upwards, so plus. Then what is the component of 10 newtons?
10 cos 75.
Cos 75, and it's acting downwards, so minus. And what is the component of P?
P sine theta,
P sine
and
theta,
it's negative.
negative. So this total should be 0. So we get P sine theta equals, what do we get?
Uh,
We can do the calculation. Let's take the calculator. Give me a minute.
okay, sir.
Okay, so there we go. Okay, so solve this out. What do we get? 10 into cos 70 cos 7, no, sorry, yeah, cos 75, then minus 12 into sine 70. Okay, that is, okay, this is minus, that side we get minus 8.688. Okay, minus minus will cancel out. We get P sine theta as this value. Then horizontal components we need to take. So take all the horizontal components. First, let's start with P. So P cos theta, then minus 10 sine 75, again minus 12 cos 70. This total should be 0. So we get P cos theta equals how much? Ten into sine. Give me a minute. Yeah. No, come on Monday.
13.76.
Yeah, 10 into, yeah, 75 plus 12 into cos 70, 13.76. This is equation number 2. Now using 1 and 2 we need to find P and theta. How can we find it? Isma? Equation 1 divided by equation 2, if we do, P and P will cancel. Sine by cos we will get left side. Right side we will get 8.688 divided by 13.76, right?
Yes.
So this is tan theta. So theta will be equal to tan inverse of this value. Okay, so find tan inverse 8.688 divided by 13.76, 32.27. Okay, so this is the angle in degrees. Now if we substitute angle in one of these equations, we will get the value of P. So P will be, let's say, second equation, 13.76 divided by cos of 32.27. Okay, so we substituted it here.
Yes.
What do we get? So 13.76 divided by cos 32.27. That's 16.27.
Yes.
This is in newtons. Okay. So this is the angle and this is the magnitude of P. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubts here?